Welcome back to Fitness Tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most requested topics of all time: how to build a massive, sculpted chest at home, with no gym and no equipment. That's right. No bench, no dumbbells, not even resistance bands. Just you, your body, and the science of progressive overload. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because this video will change the way you think about home workouts forever. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you ever wasted hours doing push-ups, only to see zero progress in your chest size? If yes, it's probably not your effort that's the problem, it's your strategy. In this video, we'll break that curse. We'll show you exactly how to grow your chest using just 3 scientifically backed bodyweight exercises. And we're not talking about generic, easy push-ups. We're talking about powerful, mass-building movements you've probably never used correctly before. So, grab some water, clear some space on the floor, and let's get started. Exercise 1. The Power Push-Up, your foundation for growth. Let's begin with the Power Push-Up, an advanced and focused version of the standard push-up. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, "I already know how to do push-ups," let me explain why most people do them completely wrong. The Power Push-Up isn't just about reps. It's about form, tempo, and muscular tension. You see, the secret to building muscle with bodyweight exercises is to make your muscles work harder with less. That means slowing down, controlling the movement, and exploding with intensity. Here's how to perform the power push-up correctly. Start in a regular push-up position, but instead of quickly going up and down, lower your body in 3 slow seconds, hold the bottom for 1 second to maximize time under tension, then explode up with power. Don't just push, launch. This explosive push recruits more fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for growth and strength. Now here's the science behind it. Slow negatives increase muscle damage, which triggers more repair and growth. The pause at the bottom increases time under tension. And the explosive concentric, upward phase, stimulates type 2 fibers, the ones bodybuilders crave. What if I told you that doing push-ups faster can actually make your chest smaller? That's right. When you rush through reps, you're cheating your muscles out of real work. By focusing on explosive, controlled movements, you're forcing your chest to work harder, and that's where growth lives. Aim for 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds in between. And if that's too easy, add a pause at the top and bottom. Or elevate your feet. Remember, the key to progress is progressive overload, even without weights. Exercise 2. Wide arm push-ups. Maximum stretch for maximum gains. Next up, the wide arm push-up. And no, it's not just a variation, it's a game changer for your chest development. You see, the pectoral muscles are responsible for bringing your arms toward the center of your body. When you place your hands wider than shoulder width apart, you shift more tension from your triceps to your chest. That's exactly what we want. This exercise stretches your pecs more at the bottom of the movement, increasing the range of motion and muscle activation. This stretch under tension is one of the most powerful ways to stimulate growth, similar to how bench press stretches the chest at the bottom of the lift. Here's the correct form. Place your hands about 1.5 times shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows slightly tucked, not flared, and lower your chest slowly, feeling the stretch across your chest wall. Pause just before your chest touches the floor, then push back up while squeezing your chest muscles together. Want to know why you're not seeing chest growth with regular push-ups? Because you're not using enough range. A narrow push-up hits more triceps, but the wide arm push-up forces the chest to carry the load, and that's how you start building size, even without lifting a single dumbbell. If you do this right, you'll feel a deep burn after just 8 to 10 reps. That's the chest telling you, yes, this is working. Do 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest for 60 seconds between sets, and focus more on the burn than the count. Quality over quantity, always. Exercise 3. Incline push-ups, chest isolation magic. Now let's move on to the third and final exercise, incline push-ups. If you're thinking, wait, isn't that easier than a regular push-up? Not when you do it right. Incline push-ups, when done on a slight angle with proper chest control, can target the upper chest, giving your pecs that full, round, superhero look. Most home workouts ignore the upper pecs, which is a huge mistake. Without that upper shelf, your chest will look flat no matter how strong it is. Here's what to do. Place your hands on a surface like a stair, couch, or sturdy box, something 12 to 20 inches off the ground. The key is to lean into the movement, keeping your body straight, and squeeze your chest at the top of each representative. Go slow on the way down, pause, then push back up while keeping your pecs tight. Incline push-ups allow for more chest isolation and give your front delts and triceps a break. This means your chest gets more of the stimulus, exactly what you need to grow. Here's a secret. Want to make your chest pop? Work the upper chest. People focus way too much on the middle and forget the clavicular pecs. When you develop this area, your shirt fits better, your chest lifts higher, and you look more powerful, even without flexing. Do 4 sets of 15 reps, and if it becomes too easy, slow down the tempo or elevate your feet slightly for more intensity. The secret weapon. Time under tension. Now that you know the 3 exercises, let's talk about the real secret weapon behind growing a massive chest without weights. Time under tension, TUT. Most people think it's all about reps, but the longer your muscles stay under tension, the more microscopic damage occurs, which is exactly what leads to muscle growth. So here's what to do during every representative of every exercise we mentioned. Lower in 3 to 5 seconds. Pause at the bottom for 1 to 2 seconds. Explode up. Squeeze your chest at the top. This simple tweak alone can double your results, even if you only work out 3 days a week. Still think you need a gym to build a big chest? Think again. Thousands of calisthenics athletes and military trainers swear by these methods. Why? Because intensity beats equipment every single time. Recovery. The overlooked muscle growth accelerator. Now let's touch on something people overlook far too often: recovery. You could do all the perfect push-ups in the world, but if you don't let your muscles repair, you won't grow. Here's the truth. Your muscles don't grow while you train. They grow while you rest. So make sure you're giving your body at least 48 hours before hitting the same muscle group again. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, stay hydrated, and eat enough protein-rich meals to fuel recovery. Did you know skipping sleep can sabotage your chest gains more than skipping workouts? That's right. Without deep sleep, your body doesn't release enough testosterone and growth hormone. And those are the key hormones that tell your muscles, it's time to grow. So don't just train hard. Recover harder. Mind-muscle connection. Feel every rep. Let's talk mindset for a second. One of the most powerful tools you can develop, without touching a single weight, is the mind-muscle connection. What does that mean? It means that instead of just going through the motions, you focus entirely on squeezing the muscle you're targeting, in this case, your chest. Visualize your chest expanding, contracting, stretching. Focus on the burn. Block out everything else. Why does this work? Because studies have shown that mental focus increases muscle activation. It forces your brain to recruit more muscle fibers, which leads to more damage, more repair, and yes, more growth. Want to double your gains without doing a single extra representative? Start feeling your muscles during every move. That's the real secret the pros don't tell you. Final routine. How to put it all together. Here's how you can structure your home chest workout using just these 3 exercises. Power push-ups. 4 sets of 10 to 12, wide arm push-ups. 3 sets of 8 to 10, incline push-ups. 4 sets of 12 to 15, rest for 60 to 90 seconds between each set. Focus on form, tempo, and time under tension. Train your chest 2 to 3 times per week. Combine that with good nutrition and sleep, and you'll start seeing visible results in just a few weeks. There you have it, only 3 exercises, 0 equipment, and the blueprint to a massive chest at home. No more excuses. No more waiting for a gym membership. You now have everything you need to start building a chest that turns heads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a home workout that works. And hey, drop a comment below if you're going to try this workout. Or let us know what body part you want to build next at home. No equipment, no problem. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and remember, your body is the only gym you truly need.